When a team participates in an Emergenetics essential workshop, they discover a new common ground. They leave with a palpable level of energy and excitement that can sometimes fade over time. We know from Malcolm Knowles and adult learning theory that participants will gravitate towards concepts that are directly related to their job or personal life. And adult learners want to know how they can apply their new learnings immediately. Now there's a way to nurture their enthusiasm and support skill building. Welcome to the egLearning Library, curated collection of digital, on-demand courses that support the day-to-day application of Emergenetics in any organization. Each course is designed to amplify the learner's understanding of the 7 attributes and empower them to put their knowledge into practice. Created to connect to the learner's preferences, the courses feature relatable scenarios and engaging activities. Each course takes less than 30 minutes to complete, and your learners can access the content from anywhere they have an internet connection. Best of all, egLearning courses are an affordable way to support your employees, reduce miscommunication, and enrich your workplace culture, all while sustaining your investment in Emergenetics. The egLearning courses are now available for purchase through your Emergenetics representative, so get in touch today.